Disney Premier Visa Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it. You won't believe how much you can save on magical vacations just by choosing the right credit card. The Disney Premier Visa Card is designed specifically for Disney fans who visit theme parks, book cruises, and buy Disney merchandise. You earn Disney Reward dollars on everyday purchases, which can be redeemed at Disney parks, Disney resorts, and Disney stores. That means groceries and gas can turn into park tickets, meals, and souvenirs. There is an annual fee, but frequent Disney travelers often find that the savings and exclusive cardholder perks easily outweigh the cost. Cardholders also receive special financing options on Disney vacation packages and exclusive discounts at select Disney locations. If Disney is a major part of your travel plans, this card can make your trips more affordable and more enjoyable.